Good morning, everybody. It's Friday. I got the day off from work. We're gonna try and plant some corn. So, got load these bad boys up on the truck. And I gotta meet Matt from Bain out there, and he's gonna help me get rolling. So, fingers crossed. We're gonna get some corn in the ground today. Let's do it. Whew. Bags are a workout. That's what we're gonna start with here. 104-day corn. That way, if we get a stretch of wet time when we're picking beans, we can switch over, and hopefully these will be done or dried down pretty early. So that's the plan. We're gonna start. We got 12 bags of 104. Which will do most of that field we worked up yesterday. And then we're gonna switch to G07 F23, which is kind of our old reliable. That one's always worked good for us, so we've been using that one for a long time. So that's how we're gonna finish out the fields today, is with that. But, all right, I think we're all loaded up. I'm gonna throw a quick toolbox together just so we have some tools, and then head on out there and meet Matt. Probably won't film much while Matt's there. It's still kind of weird for me to film in front of other people, so I'll just work with him while he's there, and then I'll catch you up when he's done. Well, we had kind of a rough start here. Started off, I had to run the Road King because I was missing a filter or a screen that goes on underneath the fertilizer tank. So I went and got that. Then I came back and one of the tires was flat after he got it unfolded. So I ran and got an air compressor. I thought I could run it off of my little switch here, but I didn't have enough juice to do it. So then I ran back to the farm and got Grandpa's generator. So hopefully I can use that to air up the tire. Matt had to go help somebody else get their GPS going, so I run back here and air up those tires. And then I think I'm gonna put seed in every box, and then hopefully he'll be back by then and we'll get rolling here. But going on 11 o'clock already, and we haven't even put the planter in the ground yet. Guess I'm glad I took the day off so we can make sure we get everything set up and everything running. Hopefully by the end of the day here, we'll have it going, everything going good, and can at least plant that field. Once I get rolling, that won't take me very long, so yeah, we're getting there, slowly, but I guess I'm slowly building my truck into a service truck too, so got the fuel tank in there and a generator, and the air compressor, so we're getting everything we need, I guess. Truck's slowly filling up with stuff. Alright, we're gonna get to it again. Airing up the tire. I must not have ever checked those tires because I had to put air in 3 or 4 of them, so glad we saw that, I guess. That was probably a good thing that one went flat. So I'm gonna lower this baby down and fill her up with seed, then put some fertilizer in it, and hopefully Matt will be back. Alright, I'll throw some seed in her. First time having it in the ground. Crazy about this one is I didn't even know how to unfold it really. Just had to figure, well, Matt showed me. It's all through the monitor. You can't do anything without that monitor. Which is cool and kind of sucks at the same time. It's cool because it automates almost everything. You can change your population and fertilizer on the go, but something like that, just unfolding it and putting it down, that's kind of sucks, so you gotta have the monitor. I just keep finding little things that I didn't hit. This is off. Gotta take that off, try and get it back on there and tighten it on. Didn't see that. I missed these grease zerks too. On those rows, that's on every row. So, gotta do that too before he gets back. Man, just didn't see a lot. Guess I didn't check it over very close. Alright. So we're hooked up over here. About to throw some of this in. This is PD Biocast by PW Fusion. So this is some microbial activity. It's supposed to, well, it's made up of microbials. That's not the right word, I can't think of it. But it helps break up release fertilizer that's locked in your soil. So this is something new we're trying this year. We're putting it on all our acres. And hopefully it'll make a difference. It's supposed to help unlock fertilizer locked in your soils and help your roots take off more. So just trying to build back up your soil, I guess. So that's, I'm gonna load that in here. We're gonna put 150 gallons into the planter. And then after we run our calibrations, I'm gonna pump it the rest of the way in, so I don't waste this stuff. If I waste a little bit of fertilizer, that's okay, but I don't want to waste this, so that's the plan. What a day. What a waste of a day, I should say. Well, we're still working on that planter. It's going on 3 o'clock and still don't have it running right. Now our check valves are bad, so I'm running around trying to find new ones. Can't get the fertilizer to flow out right, so we can calibrate it, but yeah, that's gone wrong. Had the inductor plumbed up backwards, so instead of sucking out the stuff I was putting in there, it was filling the tank, so I gotta figure that out for tomorrow. So I'm not gonna fill again tonight, probably. And yeah, and one thing after another. Got out to the field at 8 o'clock this morning. It's going on 3 and haven't planted an acre yet. Some days are just like that. I wish it wasn't a day that I took off work, but I guess this had to happen at some point, so we'll see. Hopefully we get to plant something tonight. Well, that was a disappointing end of the day there. We're kind of done for the day. Didn't plant anything. Need some of these little check valves. They're not normal check valves, so gotta try and find those from somewhere. I'm just not sure where to find them, so we'll see what happens. Talk to you tomorrow.